Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another exciting video. Today I have chosen and selected one of the best sites in the betting market, and that is OneWin. So today we'll be talking about OneWin site. So OneWin has lots to offer to their clientele, as OneWin again is one of the oldest site in the world and is one of the most secure sites as well, and has been awarded as the most secure site by the Razorpay themselves. So OneWin comes with a theme of white and blue. The one is in blue and the WIN is in white. Other than that, the whole theme is in white and blue. To open up the site, it gets opened up within a fraction of seconds, like a couple of seconds. It gets opened up and is fully loaded and quickly loaded as well. The site has lots of offers going on and bonuses going on, which we'll be talking about later. But for now, when it comes to this app, it offers lots of options of sports and casinos. In sports, you get cricket as the main attraction. In cricket itself, you get lots of tournaments and also e-tournaments, and on the virtual world or on the video games world, you get the e-tournaments in that as well. Other than that, the sports segment offers you volleyball, basketball, American rugby, table tennis, badminton, hockey, kickboxing. Other than that, some racing options are also available, like horse riding and dog racing as well. And this is the only site that is the OneWin where you can bet on the kickboxing tournaments or matches as well. Currently, OneWin is offering lots of offers and bonuses to their new users to attract more and more clientele. Also, it is backed by various brands as their ambassadors or as their angel investors. So it's one of the most secure site, as I have said earlier. Other than that, the bonuses can be on the cashbacks offers or can be on a little percentage, that is by using your credit cards. Now, by naming the credit cards, we'll be talking about the options for their deposit and withdrawal. Just keep in mind, whenever you are making the deposit, you have to use the same medium as well as in the withdrawals as well. For example, like if you are using bank transfers for your deposits, then you have to make the same medium, that is the bank transfers, in the withdrawal criteria as well. So deposit and withdrawals are very easy to make, and other than that, you can also make your deposit and withdrawals by using bank transfer, NEFTs, or by using debit cards and credit cards of major banks. On credit card, there are different percentages that you will be receiving as a cashback option from OneWin site. One more thing about OneWin is that their live chat is pretty active to get through or to get to know the site itself. Other than that, for deposit and withdrawal problems or for other currency converting options or for cryptocurrency problems, like if you selected a wrong blockchain and you use the other blockchain for withdrawals, then you have to reach them out on their mail IDs as well to receive the solution. Also, OneWin provides weekend offers as well as monthly ending offers to their old subscribers or to their old players who are playing for a long period of time. Also, they have an option for affiliate programming. So this was my overall review on OneWin site. Other than that, if you have other sites that you are using and you want me to review them, don't forget to provide their names in the comment section. Other than that, the site's link, the OneWin site link, is available in the description box. Also, if you are new to the channel or to this industry, then don't forget to join the Telegram group. The links will be in description box. So if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And also, if I forget to mention some points in OneWin or other sites, don't forget to comment that as well. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep betting.